Here we are for discussion of the Santhal rebellions. So first of all, I would say it started in 1855 to 1856, and one of the most prominent, most significant rebellion in the history of the India. The first rebellions who were fight against the Britishers and show the courage to fight against the Britishers among the among all over the Indias. Among them, there are two brothers, Kanu and his brothers. They gathered too much Santhalians for this fight and fight very bravely. So let's go in the background of this rebellion. So first of all, they are settling normally in Chota Nagpur plateau, where they are giving their role for the farmings and doing their own works in the forest. They are not going to do anything for the Britishers, and after that Britishers announced the 1833 permanent
1773
permanent settlement act, where they started taking the allowance taxes from them and too much taxes from them, but they are not able to pay them. So they remove from their lands only, and they sent to the Rajmahal
Hills.
which is generally located in Jharkhand, where there is too much mountains are there. There is too much mountains and forest. There is no land for the fertile cultivations, but they do too much hard work, and they lot of hard work, and they made the land fertile. And before that, Britishers have said that they were not going to interfere in their land or anything in their society. You know what? Santhalian rebellions called outsider people Diku. So, and they have their own panchayati system and own ruling system that is called Abau. So they did not want to involve to any other outsider Diku. So when they started to start cultivated in the Rajmahal Hills, so at the right that time the Britishers have looked up once again upon them. They look at that they are doing their well in their society. So now once again they started to harass them. So they first of all say that make the taxes on their land, and they are giving their money for their crops. Okay, so once again they started to exploit politically also, and they are economically also. On the behalf of this, they decided to not tolerate more than that, and they again start fighting against them, and they started with destroying their Britishers buildings and whatever things they are related to the British, they started destroying. And there are too much women and children are participating in this revolt, and there are a lot of people dies from the both of sides. And you know what? One of the more significant of this revolt was that the guerrilla fight they are fighting. So we have seen a lot of the rebellions before, the tribal rebellions, but they are not doing significantly like this. They generally fight with their own weapons, which are not applied to the modern weaponized systems. So now when they are fighting the guerrilla system, the guerrilla system is killing too much Englishmen and Britishers. So lot of harm for them at the right that time. So after this too much loss, you know what? One of the more reason for the rebellion was Daroga Hatyakand, where one of the Daroga is there who exploited them more. So they first killed him, and they started the revolt at the right that time only. You know what? And after that, people also participated in that. So once again we came to the point that when they harm too much the Britishers, significantly crush them their rebellions, but we confirm that these rebellions also win, because you know what, after lots of things made preserved for these rebellions only, that Santhal Parganas were given, and lot of reservations were given, that no one will involve in their land for doing any kind of thing in the future. So we can these things prove that they lost their revolt, but they win by other things only. So historians think that they win only. They the first win, indirectly win of the India. After that, there are a lot of fight has out by the Indians movement rebellions for the from the against the victors with the help of by motivation of this revolt only. And there are too much motivations in the future revolt, just like 1857 and Munda rebellions are also involved with by motivating that they know that that anyone can defeat the
ठीक है
Britishers.
सर,
चलिए हटाइए।
बहुत बोल दिया, किधर बोले आज।